For those who are watching us online, we are doing the first snippet, and that is the introduction to bookkeeping. Here we will be covering all the basics of accounting principles and the basic account knowledge that you need to fill in as you go along, doing accounting, whether it's in a practical way or just clarifying theory for you. We have, in our index, we cover the following things. It's entity. We talk about what is an entity and the purposes behind entity and how entities are formed. We look at the different types of accounting. We look at the purpose of accounting, different types of accounting. We're looking at stock, debtors, and creditors. For those that are actually doing it, understands the implications when you are doing things either in the debtors or the creditors function. We look at cash book and reconciliation, and we discuss the paper trail, which is always the trading cycle in which any company needs to function, whether it's a tax invoice, credit note. We discuss what they are. We look at income statement, balance sheets, and then obviously we're looking at record reporting. All those things are important. So the introduction covers all the basics that you need to know when an entity is formed. We look at the different department heads within a company. We look at the different types of accounting, whether it's costing, auditing, financial, and bookkeeping. We're looking at the matching and the accrual concept. We discuss that in detail. Then we also talk about purpose of financial accounting. What is the purpose behind it all? Is it just for record keeping? Is it for control and expenditure? Is it for reporting? What is the functions behind it? We look at assets, non-current and current assets. We discuss that and we explain that when it comes to a company that is functional. We look at stock, inventory, or merchandise, as most of us understand it. We look at costing from the time of stock being purchased and to when it gets sold. We're looking at selling price. We talk about the debtor cycle. We discuss creditors. We look at bank reconciliation, and then obviously the paper trails that we discuss. Quotations, what they are, when would you generate a tax invoice, etc. And then at the end of the course, we discuss the management pack. This is what your CEO or your senior person would want from every department, whether it be stock, debtors, creditors, or the general ledger report. What are those management packs? What do they consist of, and why is it important? So we do hope that you will go online, enjoy the course in bookkeeping. It's very comprehensive. You will have a facilitator going through the entire module, so you're not left on your own. If you are interested in doing the course, contact the offices. Our details are on the website. Thank you and enjoy.